Cheers, what's going on everybody? East Coast Dankness here. Thought I'd do a little voiceover. It's been a long time since I've done one of these, but this is a little bit different. This is a sponsored grow, and we're going to explain what we got going on and what we've done so far, and hope you enjoy it. Big shout out to ILGM for providing these and sponsoring me. You can go check out my homepage and go shopping through my affiliate link. It'll help me out. You could also use the promo code GET10 from Robert and get $10 off of your order. So go check them out, ILGM. Again, appreciate you guys. So we were sponsored, and I had chosen peanut butter breath, strawberry cough, photo femmes. So far we've dropped 5 of the peanut butter breath, and we've dropped 5 of the strawberry cough. Out of the 5 peanut butter breath, we still have 2 that are on the heating pad, in the paper towel. I'm trying to get those to germinate. I haven't been able to. I was able to get 1, so we have 1 peanut butter breath by ILGM right there. Out of the 5 strawberry cough, today we had 2 with tails. They went in the cocoa today. We have the other 3 in there. 1 more is cracked. The other 2 haven't done anything. So I'm thinking that those ones aren't gonna pop. So we should have 3 strawberry cough, and I'm hoping another peanut butter breath cracks open at least, and we have 2 peanut butter breath. But if not, right now we got definitely 3 strawberry cough, 1 peanut butter breath, and I also threw this in. I know this isn't part of the sponsored grow, but this is ILGM's Purple Haze. I didn't think they would mind me throwing that in there. This was given to me because of the issues I had with the sweet tooth. So I got some replacement beans, and I chose to get Photo Femmes instead, and I chose Purple Haze because it's one of my all-time favorites. So we have the strawberry cough by ILGM, peanut butter breath. Those are the sponsored part of the grow, and we also have a purple haze that's thrown in there also. That is by ILGM. We got those in the 4x4 underneath the Spider Farmer G3000. Just rocking the Bible song for right now until I get some other stuff situated. Again, ILGM. Go check them out. Go check my homepage out for those links. And we'll see you again on the next one, guys. Later.